Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cutoshi token. You can find this token at Cutoshi.com. Excuse me. Now this token is just starting their pre-sale. I saw it advertised in a news article advertisement. They are in stage 1 of their pre-sale. This is a brand spanking new token. Ticker symbol CUTO. This is an ICO on their own webpage. So we're going to try to look for an audit, see if this token is at least audited. We're going to go through the info on it, how you can get it, all that type of stuff. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So at the top of their page, there's ecosystem, tokenomics, roadmap, white paper, leaderboard, login button, change the language. They have a chat box that pops up. You can click on that. If you scroll down, within their ecosystem, they have the Cutoshi DEX, decentralized exchange, community quests and farming, the Cutoshi Academy mission, Cutoshi NFTs, and Cutoshi merch. So there's a lot of stuff involved in this ecosystem here. They've been featured in different news articles like the Bitcoinist, News BTC, Coinpedia, Yahoo Finance, and You Today. If you go to their webpage, Cutoshi.com, it says get in early on the luckiest meme coin. Then it has a link to their Twitter and their Telegram on there. Now their Twitter is at Cutoshi Token. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen over here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project, and you will see their Telegram and their webpage are both linked there. 7,513 followers, blue verified checkmark, 14 tweets. Make sure you check out the Twitter. And they have a Telegram linked as well at Cutoshi that has over 5,400 Telegram members. And you can join the discussion over there. But right when you go to the webpage, it pops up the box here that says they've raised already $213,730. For this phase, they're trying to raise $330,000. You can buy the token with ETH, USDT, or BNB. And there's a button that says buy, but basically you would fund your wallet, your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, which you can get from a Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or extension on your PC. Fund it with ETH, USDT, or BNB. You can fund your wallet from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Excuse me. And then you would click Connect Wallet on their webpage there, Cutoshi.com. So say you funded your wallet with ETH. You would put in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Cutoshi tokens you get for that amount. Click Purchase, and then basically you'd when the pre-sale's over, you claim your tokens. Now right now it's only stage 1. It says one Cuto token equals 0.015 USD. So how these pre-sales generally go is that as the pre-sale continues, the price increases as it goes. And when it finally gets listed on decentralized exchanges, then you got it at a discount the earlier you got it. So it says, Cutoshi is a revolutionary meme coin, DeFi hub, and educational platform inspired by the Chinese Lucky Cat and Satoshi Nakamoto's teaching. Traditionally, people put the Chinese Lucky Cat in their homes and businesses to maximize its lucky powers and bring them good fortune. Now Cutoshi, the Lucky Cat, is on the blockchain. Cutoshi will bring luck, prosperity, and wealth to your digital assets. Cutoshi is created from the ideals of the legendary Bitcoin creator Satoshi to bring DeFi to the blockchain and everyone. As the Japanese say, look after your cat and it will look after you. Cutoshi, the lucky cat, has a vision to embody the values of decentralization, privacy, and monetary freedom that Satoshi Nakamoto wanted for all of us. Traditional finance was made for the rich and powerful. Blockchain and Web3 are designed to give back the power, wealth, and self-governance to the people. Infusing the spirit of the Japanese and Chinese lucky cat with these ideals, Cutoshi is creating a community-driven ecosystem where decision-making lies in the hands of all of us. More than that, Cutoshi is creating a path to financial freedom for those who choose to honor the power of the lucky cat. Cutoshi is the luckiest meme coin, and it's also a DeFi solution with an inbuilt multi-chain decentralized exchange and multi-asset decentralized Web3 wallet. These are the tools we need to freely use the blockchain to our fullest advantage. Our lucky cat, Cutoshi, will also provide token farming, learning platforms, NFTs, making it the place to immerse yourself in the ethos of Web3. So, yeah, they have other things within the ecosystem, like I mentioned earlier, like merch, quests, and farming. So it says here that it'll be listed on central exchanges in the future, and then also other platforms, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and PancakeSwap, because it will be a cross-chain token on ETH and BNB. So they have here the tokenomics. They have a full white paper. It doesn't work at the very top of their webpage when you click white paper, but if you scroll down, you'll see a section that says white paper. Click on that. It'll take you over to a PDF. But basically how the tokens split up, 55% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 10% farming, 10% marketing, 10% listing, 8% team, 7% burn event. So there will be burning. Now there is a roadmap starting with auditing the smart contract and launch a pre-sale. Token listing, yield farming, push early bird bonuses. Step 2, initiate a launch of Cuto decentralized exchange, initiate buyback and burn. Phase 3, kickstart interactive events, launch the Cutoshi Academy, launch the online merch store. Then partnerships and growth with strategic collaborations with reputable companies in Web3 and beyond, ecosystem expansion, integrate with other DeFi projects to add value. And yeah, so they show the farming a leaderboard, what that's going to look like. Now, there's nowhere on the page where you can click on an audit, so I don't see it anywhere except when you scroll down to the frequently asked questions here. And there's the second frequently asked question. It says, has the smart contract been audited? It says, yes, the smart contract for Cuto has undergone a thorough audit by a reputable third-party security expert. And you can see the audit by clicking here. And the thing is, you click on that and there's actually nowhere to click on. The cursor doesn't even scan over everything. So I could try, before I wrap this video up, opening it up in a different browser. But the thing is, if they don't have an audit, basically you're just taking on all the risks if you cannot review, the audit here. Now, it could be on their Telegram. Now, I have not scrolled through their entire Telegram yet. So also it could be buried, in one of their tweets here. Actually, they only have 14 tweets. Let's see if I could scroll through these quickly to see if their audit is there. But unfortunately, on the web page, it does not work to click on. It says click here, and it doesn't work. So in their tweets here, they have the web page linked a whole bunch of times, so you can check out the pre-sale. They have a bunch of news articles. Oh, there it is right there. Solid proof. Okay, so see if this actually works. So if you look at, they retweeted September 26th, a full audit by Solid Proof. So when there is audits, you should definitely try to check them out here. See if I can actually open this up somehow. So it takes you over to a GitHub. And of course it's lagging. So let me try to open this up here. But definitely, before reviewing or before purchasing any pre-sale, or even any token whatsoever, you should always try to review the audits. Now, the hard part about reviewing audits is that a lot of times with tokens, especially new tokens that just come out, if you want to get in early, right? People are like trying to get in early before increases or before you name it, before anything happens here. And it says has successfully completed the smart contract audit. But let's see if we could find any warnings though. So it says invalid PDF. So now I have to download it, download the raw file. So this is what you should do always when looking at tokens. All right, so I finally got it working here. So you have to download the raw file depending on what browser you're using. But yeah, people want to be in early on tokens or pre-sales, so they invest quickly. But then the catch-22 there is that you're supposed to review the audit also, and that takes time. And then all of a sudden you're not in early because you spent too long looking at security. But, so you got to have a mix of both. Try to get in early, but also review the audits, make sure everything's safe, and it can be very difficult in the crypto world that way. So first of all, good check mark. It says contract is not upgradable. Then it says contract ownership is renounced. All good so far. Contract owner cannot mint new tokens, cannot burn tokens, owner cannot blacklist addresses, cannot change fees over 25%, cannot lock function. So all good there. The only problem here is their informational issue. It says NAT spec documentation missing. So there is one warning on their audit. It is not a perfect audit, and so definitely take this token with a grain of salt. Warnings are there for a reason. Thoroughly review this token before purchasing. There is a big informational issue. But yeah, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.